And the impacts of the coronavirus is having a rippling effect to people's homes. KSNT News reporter Dan Garrett is live at a local plumbing business with a new problem that's been developing in people's homes. Dan?
Brooke, one of the co-owners here, says since more people are spending time at home, they're putting more wear on their plumbing. Vice President Von Kaufman says they are getting a lot of house calls for clogged drains since the stay-at-home order. He says it ranges from kitchen sinks to washers to bathroom. And Kaufman wants to remind people they are still open and taking the proper precautions when entering homes.
Lots of clogged drains, lots of water heaters going out, lots of problems with faucets and fixtures and even heating and cooling problems.
Kaufman says they've also seen a lot of clogged toilets since people are struggling to find toilet paper, and he warns people to not flush anything besides toilet paper, especially paper towels and wet wipes. Live in Topeka, Dan Garrett, KSNT News.
All right, thank you so much, Dan.